Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, the Integrity Commission's report on its findings into the operations of the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA, was tabled in Parliament on Tuesday.
The investigation, which spanned several years, examined allegations of mismanagement, oversight failures, and other concerns within the agency.
We have the details in this report.
A major investigation into Jamaica's Firearm Licensing Authority has uncovered accountability gaps, missing ammunition, and irregularities in its licensing system. The findings are contained in an investigation report compiled by the Integrity Commission. The probe, which began in 2021, examined allegations of corruption, improper licensing practices, and weaknesses in how firearms and ammunition are stored. Investigators found that while no firearms earmarked for destruction were missing, at least 190 rounds of .22 ammunition could not be accounted for at the authority's main vault. The report also highlighted serious weaknesses in inventory management. It noted that only about 17% of the recorded entries were checked, and several discrepancies, including deteriorating storage bags and poor record keeping, were identified. In addition, the Commission concluded that the authority's license management system was manipulated, with inaccurate information entered into a dealer's account without his request or consent. The investigation found that one set of transactions showed thousands of rounds of ammunition being purchased by individuals who either denied the purchases or, in one case, was already dead at the time. Despite these concerns, the Commission determined that the authority acted within its legal powers when it revoked certain firearm licenses linked to the investigation. However, in relation to allegations of corruption involving staff, the report says investigators were unable to reach definitive conclusions due to insufficient evidence. The Commission is recommending urgent reforms, including improvements to storage conditions, stronger controls over data entry in the licensing system, and the establishment of proper data backup systems. It is also urging a full independent audit of all FLA vaults to determine the extent of unaccounted ammunition and to strengthen oversight. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.